By the end of this lesson, all you go have a real handle on agriculture in the Caribbean, past and present, from sugarcane days to pepper sauce royalties. We'll break down the trends like a code pillar, how jobs shift, how acreage rise and fall just like gas prices, and how agriculture still paying its way in GDP. We're also checking diversification. No more putting all the eggs in the sugar basket. Think cocoa, coconuts, fresh beets, aquaculture, plus smarter marketing. From markets, stall hailouts to barcodes, brand stories, and yes, Instagram farm boxes. Technology jumping too. Drip irrigation, greenhouses, even drones, because global demand and climate change not waiting on nobody. By the time we're done, you'll be able to explain the trends, spot the strategies, and see how the region keeps adapting just like a maxi driver dodging potholes in the rain. Have you ever enjoyed ackee and saltfish or a juicy mango? These foods are more than just delicious. They are a direct link to the Caribbean's rich soil and vibrant culture. Agriculture is the heartbeat of our islands, shaping our communities and traditions for generations. Once the backbone of our economies, agriculture has influenced farming, built towns, funded schools, and connected us to the world. Today, agriculture is evolving, combining tradition with technology, from drones in the fields to scientists creating drought-resistant crops. This is a new era where agriculture is dynamic and full of opportunity, connecting our past to our future. Whether you dream of coding, creating, or cultivating, there's a place for you in this exciting chapter of Caribbean agriculture. Let's travel back to when a single crop could shape the destiny of an entire island. Sugarcane was once white gold, fueling fortunes and bringing people from across the world to the Caribbean. Bananas, spices, coffee, cotton, and cocoa each had their reign, leaving lasting marks on our land and culture. Agriculture provided nearly all jobs, built infrastructure, and was the lifeblood of our communities. Families relied on small plots for food and income. The rhythms of farming and planting shaped daily life. Festivals and traditions grew from the land, creating a powerful bond among people. Despite its flaws, this era made the Caribbean a vital hub in global trade. Agriculture was more than work. It was a shared heritage and a way of life. Today's agriculture's role has shrunk as cities and tourism have grown. Farmland is giving way to housing and hotels, and fewer people work the land. Young people are drawn to city life, leaving an aging population of farmers and risking the loss of traditional knowledge. Climate change brings new threats. Stronger hurricanes, longer droughts, and rising seas make farming riskier than ever. As a result, we import much of our food, making us vulnerable to global disruptions. It's a paradox. Fertile islands, yet supermarket shelves filled with imports. The challenge now is to reconnect with our land and secure our food future. The Caribbean must find new ways to make agriculture thrive again. Enter technology, the new era of Caribbean agriculture. Drones now scan fields for pests and drought, while smart irrigation systems use sensors to deliver water only when needed. Scientists are developing crops that withstand drought and disease, and greenhouses allow year-round farming even in the cities. These innovations make agriculture more efficient, resilient, and sustainable. The business side is changing too. Farmers use apps to track prices, sell online, and plan crops based on real-time data. A farm in St. Lucia can now reach customers worldwide with specialty products. Technology is turning farming into a strategic high-tech business. The future of agriculture is smart, connected, and full of promise. The tech revolution in agriculture is creating exciting new careers. You could be a drone pilot, software developer, or engineer designing smart greenhouses. Creative minds are needed for marketing, branding, and telling the story of Caribbean food to the world. Agritourism is booming, Farms are now destinations and chefs create menus from local harvests. Environmental scientists, soil experts, and water managers are vital for sustainable farming. These green-collar jobs protect our land and ensure a healthy future. The farm is now a lab, a business hub, and a guardian of our environment. Agriculture offers opportunities for every talent and passion. The future of Caribbean agriculture is bright, innovative, and ready for you. By embracing technology and tradition, we can reclaim our food sovereignty and strengthen our communities. Revitalizing agriculture means preserving our culture and ensuring that future generations know the taste of truly local food. This new revolution needs scientists, engineers, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you love biology, business, or building things, there's a place for you in this dynamic sector. Imagine your role designing apps, marketing products, or discovering new ways to grow. The fields of the Caribbean are fertile ground for your ideas and dreams and for implementing them. The harvest of the future is waiting to be planted. Let's take a moment to recap the journey from yams to drones. Key point 1. Importance of agriculture. Our roots run deep. Food, jobs, exports, and vibrant tourism sustain Caribbean life. Key point 2. The changing role. Yet the land is changing. Urban growth and climate pressures reshape our farms and communities. Key point 3. Financial decline. Employment, acreage, and GDP trends reveal shifting landscapes over time, urging us to adapt. Key point 4. Diversification and marketing. Smart marketing opens doors, for example, with organic marketing, fair trade, and e-commerce to bring new opportunities. Key point 5. The STEM revolution. Innovations such as drones, data, biotech, and smart engineering are transforming agriculture's future. And you? There's a place for your coding, creating, and cultivating in this evolving story. From yams to drones, the future of agriculture is in your hands. Thanks for watching. And remember, Caribbean agriculture is ready for liftoff.